Welcome back to Lady Boss Boost, your go-to 5-minute tip to grow your online business without the tech headaches. So today's boost is about saving time and making your content work harder for you. So we're going to be diving into ManyChat. It's a free tool that helps you automatically deliver your lead magnet when someone comments on your post. No more copying and pasting links into the DMs, no more missed opportunities, just a simple, fast automation that runs while you're living your life. So let's jump into my screen and I'm going to walk you through the basics and give you a free plug and play flow that you can start using today. Okay, so use the link below to get your free ManyChat account. It's absolutely free to start, doesn't cost, there's no free trial or anything like that. I believe it's free up to 500 contacts. So please check that. They're going to let you know when you go ahead and create your account. Now, the one thing that I am going to say before you actually create your account is you are going to need a Facebook business page. It's not your personal profile, it's a business page. So go to your personal profile, click the 9 dots in the top right-hand corner, go to page. On the left-hand side, click create a page. And if you have a business, like mine is Lady Wealth Warrior, go ahead and create a page called Lady Wealth Warrior. And yes, you want to start putting content. So if you post to your personal profile, just post the same post to your business page and start putting some content on there. But you need a business page in order to connect your Instagram or connect your Facebook Messenger. And the messenger that you can connect would be to your business page. So you want to make sure that there's a message button on your Facebook business page so people can actually send you a message. All right, so that was the techie stuff that we had to get out of the way. So I am on my home screen of my ManyChat account. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click my automations. And as you can see, I actually have some folders. So I have a folder for all of my freebies. I'm going to just show you one of these. So this one here worked really well when I was doing the Canva Bulk Create workbook. I was giving that away for free. So when people commented the word bulk, I went ahead and sent them a link to go ahead and grab that. Now the link I sent them went to an opt-in form so I could grab their name and email. So it would be beneficial to either capture their email here on ManyChat, or if you're already using a CRM, use a CRM to collect their email address. You want to make sure that you are still building that relationship once they're off of that social media platform. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it, and they're really easy to put together, and it's very visually pleasing, and it's super simple. So when I say no tech headaches, if you just look around and click on a few things, I promise you will figure it out. So I'm going to, because this one is already put together, and I'm going to give you this exact flow right here, I'm going to click the edit button. And as you can see here on the left-hand side, the first thing is a trigger. Now the trigger means when something happens, I want you to do this. So when a user replies to my story, when a user comments on my post or a reel, or when a user comments on my live, that's when this trigger, this automation will start. So if they comment on my post, they're going to get message number 1. And I just say, hey, first name, your content just got a major upgrade. I'm sending over your 30-day Reels Planner, a game-changing freebie that walks you through how to create 30 days of social posts in bulk using only Canva. I tell them what's included, and then I've got a link here for them to click. Then it goes to an action. So this action is just to tag them bulk create planner. So I know that these people that I've tagged actually grab that planner in case I wanted to market to them again. Then after, the next step would be to send them message number 2. Once they click on that link, I'm going to send them message number 2. You're in, let's get that content flowing. Need help with setup? Just reply help and I'll walk you through it. And that still continues that conversation. Now, you are more than welcome to continue adding additional messages. If you were to add a next step, and we click here, and we can do a condition. And that's really all you need to send them is the 1 and 2. And then if they reply help, make sure that you are responding to them. But you also want to make sure that you are continuing that conversation with them. Hey, I was just checking on you. You know, did you grab the planner? What did you think? Were you able to bulk create some of your social posts? Just organically, naturally, authentically continue that conversation. So if you want a copy of this flow that you can just immediately import into your ManyChat account, you got to make sure it's set up first. You can import this right into your ManyChat account and go ahead and edit it to your liking. Go ahead and comment the word chat below, and I will send that flow right on over to you. So this is going to help you when you create a post on Instagram or say Facebook, and I believe they have TikTok coming, that when someone comments a keyword, this automation will immediately pick up. So you won't have to do anything or send manual messages to anybody anymore. So when someone comments the word leads on your post, the automation will send them a DM with a link to your freebie. This also works for paid products as well. Don't think that it's only good for freebies, but if you have, say, a low ticket product, it will work for that as well. All right. So after you publish your content, all right, grab the post, go into your ManyChat flow and connect it to that specific post. Test it yourself first, comment the keyword, and check your DMs. You want to make sure that everything is firing okay, but boom, now you're collecting leads automatically. All right, so here is your Lady Boss Boost challenge today. Set up your first ManyChat keyword flow. Choose one post to test it on. Share your freebie and track who clicks it. Even just one automation like this can save you hours over the next month and make your content a lead generating machine. Plus, you're going to get to see the freebies or the products that people are actually interested in without having to do a lot of manual work. So I did put together this free ManyChat flow template that you can copy and paste into your account. Just drop the word chat below and I will send it over to you. So that's it. That's your Lady Boss Boost for today. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more bite-sized strategies and comment below if you want a full tutorial on how I use this during my launches. You've got the tools, and now let's go make them work for you. I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.